Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you're signed into the Google account you'll use. This avoids permission headaches later. Next, upload the photo to Google Photos or Drive and verify it's the final version. Once done, open Gemini and start a fresh chat with the assistant or a draft conversation. Make sure Google Photos sharing is enabled for that image so Gemini can access a link. This is the first actionable step that moves you from setup into creating a shareable photo link. Once your image is uploaded, select it in Google Photos and choose Share, then Create Link. Google generates a shareable URL with permissions set to anyone with the link. Copy that URL and preview it in a private browser tab to confirm the image loads correctly. This prevents broken links when you use Gemini. Next, paste the link into Gemini's chat and ask what you want. Analyze the photo, generate captions, or request edits. This step bridges storage and Gemini's AI capabilities. To finish, specify exactly what you need Gemini to do with the photo. Generate a caption, create alt text, suggest edits, or produce a public-facing snippet. If Gemini reports it cannot access the image, immediately toggle the link sharing off and on or re-upload the photo to refresh permissions. Make sure link visibility is set to anyone with the link. If problems persist, check account permissions, clear browser privacy extensions, and then retry. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.